for two coming over. Looks like we got visitors again. I will check things out. I'll get back to you, all right, Lloyd? Over and out.
Marcus won again.
Yeah.
Dumbass kid cracked himself up.
All right.
Keep an eye out for those jack-off kids.
Over here! Over here!
I'll do a sweep, but find us a better LZ.
Over here! Over here!
What's the matter with you? We're down here!
Boss, with me there? That is a broken tibia. Your shin is broken. I'm gonna send you up there. You're gonna do nothing.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Going down.
Oh my god! Goddamn witch! Going down! Steady?
All right. Son, what happened? Over.
Damn witch, bro. Can't get him back up.
All right. All right. Bring him out on land.
Now this I gotta see.
I can handle it, Marcus. It's okay. Look, let's go slow and easy, though. No hot dogging required. Let's just get Chris to the hospital and enjoy the scenery. Smoke. The bird's all flying north. It's the forest's way of warning us. She's a big one, so you better put out the call, bring in the troops. Don't worry, we're gonna be okay. If we continue into the wind, we're gonna hit a wall of fire. We're gonna take the safer route, the longer route.
Longer.
Longer. We're heading west.
We got ourselves a big one, Lloyd.
Okay, I'll get up in the air.
It's impossible. The fire's behind us. That cannot happen.
It's right there.
There's gotta be another fire.
Oh, come on, man. What are the chances of that? None.
Something's wrong here. We're gonna ride right through her.
We gotta go for it.
We blast right through her. Don't breathe and don't slow down for anything. 1, 2. Yes! Gotta get Marcus before he hits the fire! Follow me through the fire. Follow my path.
Okay!
Fire's not gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. We're gonna make it.
Oh, shit!
starts to get worse. Can't let that happen. I'm gonna have to. It's definitely gonna hurt. Just. I'm popping it right now. You're fine. Okay, listen to me. I'm getting you out of here. I'm calling Lloyd on the walkie. We're gonna get you guys. Where's my walkie?
Oh, Jesus.
My walkie.
Is anybody here, Marty? What about Marcus? Where's Marcus?
We can't go south. We can't go west. South is out. West is out. We have to go north. We gotta go north. It makes no sense. It's like someone is trying to step them.
Why?
Chris. Focus on the bike.
Oh my God, Marcus, no!
What?
Help him! The church! We're all gonna die!
We were alive, but the fire is coming.
The fire killed Marcus! It's gonna kill us all!
Let's go! We go up to the ridge, find a way through.
Payback time, pissants.
He's been gone a long time.
How long are we just gonna wait around? Look, there he is! What happened?
I got the fire bug. He's dead, but he started another fire to the east, okay?
Doing sitting here and talking.
Suit up. Hold on, tighter! How we doing?
The bikes are totaled.
All right, listen. Over the ridge over here, there's an old mine. If we get inside, we'll take the tunnels.
You think we can make it?
We have to. Hey, you're with me. Come on, let's go. It's the entrance to the mine.
We're surrounded by fire.
We're trapped!
911. You call 911. How'd you call 911?
I have my phone.
Okay.
What the hell?
It's snowing.
It's not snow, it's ash. Lloyd.
Jake.
Tell me you got a belly full, boss. We're surrounded by fire.
Hang tight, buddy.
I got Jake.
10-4, over.
I see him.
Come on. Yes.
Hurry up, get in here!
I'm guessing you made it.
Yeah, we made it. Listen, we're heading to the main entrance. Get a crew over there. Hold the fire back.
Got a hotshot crew at the base.
What do we got? We got us a serious situation near the old Minnesota mine. Jake Langford and some kids are trapped, and you gotta get them out. You hotshot crew, you gotta stop that fire.
See you at the other end, buddy.
We will see you. Let's go. Let's go.
They made it. They all made it.
10-4, Lloyd. You're on the way over. Over and out.
All right, guys, listen up. Hey, listen up. Guys, listen up, listen up. We still have a lot of work to do, right? We've got to stop that fire from getting to the mine. So let's move. Come on.
We gotta go. Christ. Right. Not me. You guys gotta go. Go now.
No way, we're not going anywhere without you.
Okay. Okay. I'm up.
Chris, you lead the way.
Which way?
That way. I'm afraid of the dark.
Like the commercial says, Just keeps on running.
Grab that rope. We're gonna climb over. It's all about upper body strength, Chris. Do it. Head to the main entrance now. Don't wait for me. Go. Go!
No,
Just go save yourselves. I can't!
I'm not leaving without you. Hurry!
Come on, man.
You can do it, come across.
Die, pissants.
Wait, is Jake Langford down there?
Yes, yes!
Jake, you okay?
I'm okay.
Look like crap.
I'm gonna need a vacation after all this. I know we're hot, okay?
I kind of taken a liking to things around here.
Oh, ouch. It's okay, it's okay.